So now is question number 3. This question 5, sub number 3. So look at the list of number minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, comma 2, dot dot dot. So what is the first term? A1 is minus 10, A2 is minus 6, A3 is minus 2, A4 is 2. The question is whether this list of number form an AP or not. And if it forms an AP, we have to find the next 4 terms. That is the question. So let us check first whether this list of number forms an AP or not. See here, so solution, we will find A2 minus A1. So see what is A2? A2 is minus 6 minus A1 is minus 10. Here is minus 10. We write it inside the bracket because there is minus 10. So now see, minus 6, multiply this, minus into minus, plus 10. So what do we get? Minus 6 plus 10, it is 4 only. Subtract 6 from 10, it is 4. The bigger number is plus, so it is plus 4. And you find A3 minus A2, third term minus second term. So third term is what? Minus 2 minus the second term is minus 6. In the same way, this is minus 2 and here multiply minus into minus, what is? Plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 also 4. Subtract 2 from 6, it is 4. The bigger number is plus, here is plus. And do for A4 minus A3. This is A4 minus A3. What is A4? It is 2 minus, what is A3? Third term, minus 2. Here is minus 2. Because of minus, write this inside the bracket. Okay. So here it is 2, then minus into minus, plus. So we get this 2 is equal to 4. Now look at the difference. Are the difference same? This 4, 4, 4. What do we see? We see the differences are same. When the differences are same, we can conclude that there is a common difference. So we write here, therefore, there is a common difference. And if there is common difference, so this list of number forms an AP. So we can write, therefore it is an AP in which the first term is minus 10. Okay, we can say in which A is equal minus 10 and D is equal, what is 4. Okay, we can set here the first term also. What is the first term? First term we can show by the letter A1 as well as by A also. So when I say A, it is first term only. So first term A is minus 10 and common difference D is common difference, it is 4. And if it forms an AP, what is the question? Write the next 4 terms. So we have to write here, therefore the next 4 terms. Next 4 terms are C. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. We need to find A5, then A6, then A7, then A8. Okay. So A5 formula we can use A4 plus D. What is A4 here? A1, A2, A3. This is A4. A4 is 2 plus D value is what? 4. Okay. This is 2 plus 4 is 6. And next A6 will be what? A5 plus D. So what is A5? It is 6 plus D is 4. So 6 plus 4 at 10. And then A7. A7 is A6 plus D. What is A6? It is 10 plus D value is 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. And A8 formula is A7 plus D. What is A7? A7 is 14 plus D value is 4 is equal to 18. So these are the next four terms. Okay, so let's see the next sub number 4 here. In the same way, see here we will find this is C, A1, A2, A3, A4. So first word, check whether the list of number form an AP or not. So we will proceed in the same way. Here see A2 minus A1, this is A2 minus 3.2 minus this is A1 minus 1.2. So if we do it, minus 3.2, then minus into minus plus 1.2. So subtract this, minus 3.2 plus 1.2. Let us do here 3.2, here is 1.2. Subtract, this is minus, this is plus. So if we subtract, it is 0. This is what? 2. And the bigger is minus, so this will be minus 2.0. So we can write this is equal to minus 2.0. Okay, and the next is A3 minus A2. Okay, this is the A3 minus 5.2 minus A2 is minus 3.2. So in the same way, see, minus 5.2, then minus into minus, what is plus 3.2. So if we subtract them, it will come the same. You can do in the same way. Suppose minus 5.2 and right below 3.2. Subtract here, this is 0, this is what, 2. The bigger number is minus, so this is minus 2.0. Here also I can write minus 2.0. Okay, and next is A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. What is A4? Minus 7.2. Then minus, what is A3? Minus 5.2. This is. So next is minus 7.2 minus into minus plus 5.2. And if we subtract, we will get the same, minus 2.0. Okay, minus 2.0, the same we shall get. So what do we see here? The differences in every case. See, minus 2.0, minus 2.0, minus 2.0. That means the differences are same in every case, and when the differences are same, we say there is a common difference in the given list of numbers, and when there is a common difference, the list of number form an AP. So we can write here, therefore there is a common difference. If there is common difference, we can say therefore it is an AP in which, what is the first term? We can write the first term also, A. A is minus 1.2 and common difference D is minus 2.0. Okay, minus 2.0. Let us moving like this. So minus 2.0. So when it forms an AP, we have to find the next four terms. So here is, therefore the next four terms are, see, what will be A1, A2, A3, A4? We need to find A5, then A6, then A7, then A8. So A5, if you remember, A4 plus D. If we know the fourth term, we can find the fifth term. How it is? Fourth term plus common difference. So here is the fourth term, minus 7.2 plus common difference is here. What is? Minus 2.0. Here is minus 2.0. So simplify this, minus 7.2. Here plus into minus is minus 2.0. So if we add it, it will be minus 9.2. Minus 9.2. Okay. And for A6, see, A6 will be A5 plus D. What is A5? Minus 9.2 plus D value is minus 2.0. If we add it, it will be minus 9 minus 2 minus, okay, if I do, it is plus into minus, it is plus into minus minus 2.0. So by adding, it will be minus 11.2. So you can do it. This. So see, if you have difficulty minus 9.2 and here is minus 2.0, you can add it. See, when both the signs are minus, we have to add the numbers. So it will be, this is 2 and this is what, 11 point, and this minus will remain. So we get this minus 11.2. And for A7C, A6 value is minus 11.2 plus we need D. What is D? Minus 2.0. So same way, minus 11.2 plus into minus 2.0. So both of them are minus, so by adding we get minus 13.2. And the last 8th term, A8 is equal to, what is? A7 plus D. The value of A7 is here, minus 13.2 plus D value is minus 2.0. So is equal to minus 13.2 plus into minus 2.0. So if we add them, minus 15.2. So these are the next 4 terms. Okay, we can say A5, that means 5th term is minus 9.2, 6th term is minus 11.2, 7th term is minus 13.2, and 8th term is minus 15.2. That is, so next we are doing question number 5, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us